A lawmaker came to the defense of the House Speaker, whom some camps are accusing of having a hand on why a scheduled rally in Tacloban City was canceled. Mela Lesmoras tells us more.
The camp of House Speaker Martin Romualdez firmly asserted having no involvement in the cancellation of the Maisog Peace Rally in Tacloban City over the weekend. The activity was supposed to be led by former President Rodrigo Duterte. That's why his supporters were dismayed when it was scrapped. According to House Deputy Majority Leader and Tingog Party List Representative Jude Asidre, it was the local government who's in charge of the matter, and from the information they gathered, there were valid reasons why the event was ultimately cancelled, contrary to the accusations.
Siguro malamang sa hindi, naghahanap din sila ng justification bakit hindi marami nakarating. Kasi kung akong tatanungin mo, wala namang kaming kinalaman. Si Speaker, wala namang kinalaman. Ako, wala namang kami ang Tingog Party List, wala namang kinalaman. Nasa purview po ng local government unit ang pag-i-issue ng mga permit. Sila din ang may hawak ng ating mga Freedom Park. In fact, ang provincial government ng Leyte, ang siyang nagmamanage ng RTR Plaza, no, na siyang, sa pagkakalam ko, yan sana ang tinatarget nilang venue.
In several social media posts, various allegations were raised on what really happened. However, Asidre clarified these are all lies.
Base sa information na nakarating sa atin, hindi naman sila nag-apply talaga ng permit eh. Ang ginawa nilang notification sa provincial government ay nagpapasabi lang na gagamit sila ng Freedom Park. Unfortunately, before, sa pag-submit nila ng letter of information, ng notification sa provincial government, ay merong na nakapag-submit, may nakapag-book na ho as early as May 10 sa pagkakaalam ko. Meron na nag-apply doon sa yun nga sa roadshow nung mga heavy equipment. Kaya po nakaparada po yun, hindi po pangharang, unfair po ang mga sinasabi sa social media na nilagay po yun doon. Bagat ang totoo ito'y bahagi ng isang roadshow ng mga heavy equipment. At doon sa airport ay talagang matagal na, ilang linggo na namin inaaray ang presyo ng ticket, ang kakulangan ng ticket. Pero sabi nga nila, kailangan naman itong gawin para tuloy-tuloy naman ang ating pag-improve sa ating paliparan sa Tacloban.
As of now, despite the issues, Asidre assured the House of Representatives will continue to serve and deliver on its mission and work for the benefit of each and every Filipino. Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.